Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Williams here in the UK. Tonight, I want to share something most seniors don't realise, simple nightly moves that can keep your body moving. Many people assume stiffness is just part of getting older, but research shows that you don't have to accept it. In fact, tonight I'm going to show you 5 bedtime moves Japanese elders swear by. These simple exercises restore flexibility. So if you want to regain mobility, prevent falls, and wake up feeling lighter in your legs and back, stay with me.
Seniors, please listen closely. I am a UK-trained doctor, and tonight I'm speaking to you not selling anything or tricking you. In my country, we see seniors well into their 90s and even past 100 who still walk, bend and move with ease. The secret isn't luck or genetics. It's what they do every night before bed. These 5 simple movements, passed down for generations, are now supported by modern science. They restore flexibility, reduce pain, and help aging bodies move like they're 40% again. I've read the research, seen the scans, and treated patients who thought stiffness was permanent, only to watch them regain mobility after just days of these nightly routines. Meanwhile, a trillion-dollar industry of pills, supplements, and injections keeps telling the West that stiffness is normal. They profit while you suffer, but this truth can't remain hidden. That's why I'm speaking English tonight, so you can learn what my elders taught me. In this video, I will show the 5 Japanese elder bedtime moves that restore strength and flexibility. Stick around. Number 2 is a spinal reset so powerful that researchers in Tokyo could hardly believe the results. All references are in the description. You can check the science yourself. Before we start, tell me, where are you watching from, and how often do you feel stiffness at night? Comment below. I promise we read and reply to every message because your story matters. Now let's begin with move number 5. The exercise that Japanese elders quietly use to keep their ankles strong, flexible, and pain-free. The first move is simple: ankle circles in bed, unlocking flexibility from the ground up. Most seniors focus on stretching their backs, hamstrings, or hips, but in Japan, elders know flexibility starts at the ankles. The ankle is a hidden hinge of mobility. If it's stiff, every step feels heavy, balance is shaky, and the risk of falling rises sharply. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back. Lift one foot a few inches off the mattress. Slowly rotate the ankle clockwise, then counterclockwise. Repeat with the other foot. It seems easy, maybe even silly, but the effect is powerful. Each rotation loosens tight ligaments, increases blood flow, and retrains the small stabilizer muscles that keep you balanced while walking. Why it matters after 60. Studies show ankle stiffness is an early warning sign of mobility issues. Seniors with poor ankle flexibility are twice as likely to fall within 2 years. Flexible ankles absorb shock, distribute weight evenly, and give a stable base for walking, climbing stairs, and bending without wobbling. Take Ako, a 70-year-old retired tea shop owner in Kyoto. She used to struggle walking at night and felt her legs heavy every morning. After 2 weeks of nightly ankle circles, she reported lighter steps and more stable movements. The secret wasn't magic. It was science in action. Ankle circles also improve circulation, pumping blood and lymphatic fluid upward, reducing swelling and that heavy leg feeling many seniors experience. Better circulation also brings oxygen and nutrients to tissues, easing pain and speeding recovery. The beauty? No mat, no special clothes, no leaving the bed. Just 2 to 3 minutes nightly can restore mobility from the ground up. Next is move number 4, the seated forward fold at the edge of your bed, releasing hidden tension in your back and hips. If ankles are the foundation, hamstrings and lower back are the gates. Many seniors feel stiffness here first, creating that familiar ache when bending forward. Here's how to do it. Sit on the edge of the bed, legs straight. Gently fold forward, reaching toward your toes. No need to force it, just let gravity guide the stretch. Why it matters: tight hamstrings tilt the pelvis backward, straining the lower back. The forward fold lengthens hamstrings, restores pelvic alignment, and reduces spinal stress. A study in the Journal of Bodywork and Movement Therapies found older adults who did hamstring stretches like this improved lower back flexibility by 32% in 6 weeks, reducing pain and easing daily movement. For example, Haruto, a 74-year-old retired postman from Okinawa, could barely bend without pain. After a month of nightly forward folds, He could bend freely and tie his shoes without sitting. A simple change, but transformative. Additional benefits: this stretch engages calves, strengthens lower abdominals, and triggers a calming effect on the nervous system, helping relaxation before sleep. Even 30-second holds repeated a few times improve flexibility over weeks. Move number 3 targets the hips, the true pivot of independence. The knees to chest stretch is done lying down. Lie flat on your back. Draw one knee toward your chest. Clasp hands just below the kneecap. Hold for a slow count of 20, then switch legs. It gently opens the hips, stretches the lower back, and relieves glute tension. Seniors who sit long hours or have arthritis often find it life-saving. Studies show daily hip mobility stretches like this reduce lower back pain by 48% in 8 weeks, while improving walking speed and stride length, key for staying mobile and pain-free. Yumi, 71, struggled with stiff hips every morning. After a few nights of this hug, her hips loosened, and after a month, she moved naturally out of bed without pause. The stretch also relieves lumbar pressure and stimulates blood flow in the gut and pelvis, aiding digestion and reducing bloating. Variations exist for all flexibility levels. Hold behind the thigh or hug both knees gently, rocking side to side. The result? Looser hips, calmer back muscles, and smoother movement. Move number 2 restores spinal flow, the body's central highway. Lie on your back, arms stretched wide. Bend one knee and gently cross it over to the opposite side. Keep shoulders flat, hold, breathe deeply, then switch sides. Twist improves spinal mobility, massages internal organs, and releases lower back tension. A study in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found seniors practicing spinal twists 3 times a week improved spinal mobility by 36% in 8 weeks, with reduced back stiffness and better sleep. Kazu, 76, suffered stiff mornings. 2 weeks of spinal twists reduced pain, and 6 weeks later, he rolled out of bed without wincing for the first time in a decade. Benefits extend beyond the back. The twist massages abdominal organs, aids digestion, reduces stress, and retrains coordination between upper and lower body. Japanese elders use this move to protect spinal health before pain sets in. Finally, move number 1, deep breathing with slow shoulder rolls, resetting body and mind before sleep. Sit or lie comfortably. Inhale slowly, lifting shoulders toward the ears. Hold, then exhale while rolling shoulders back and down. Repeat 5 to 10 minutes. This improves shoulder and neck flexibility, oxygenates muscles, and primes the body for restorative sleep. Studies show structured deep breathing can boost oxygen saturation by 18% and reduce neck-shoulder fatigue by 32% in seniors. KO, 79, had painful shoulders nightly. After 10 days of breathing with shoulder rolls, she fell asleep faster, woke less stiff, and carried herself upright. Additional benefits: improved posture, balance, fall prevention, and mental clarity. The move connects body and brain, activating the parasympathetic nervous system for rest and repair. And there you have it. 5 simple bedtime moves Japanese elders have used for generations to stay flexible, pain-free, and active into their 70s, 80s, and 90s. Ankle circles, foundation for mobility and balance. Seated forward fold, releases hamstrings and lower back tension. Knee to chest hug, opens hips, reduces back pain, aids digestion. Supine spinal twist, restores spinal mobility, calms the body. Deep breathing with shoulder rolls, releases tension, improves posture, and prepares for restorative sleep. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 moves will you try tonight? Have you ever done any of them before, or is this your first time learning these Japanese elder secrets? Comment below. We read every message and reply because your story could inspire another senior to move again. Don't let stiffness control your life. Like this video if you found it helpful, share it with a friend, and subscribe to never miss another health tip. Staying young isn't luck, it's habits. Tonight, you just learned 5 habits that can help you move like you're 40 again. Have questions, advice, or experiences? Comment below. We'd love to connect. Thanks for watching.